Hello, this is Gary Oakes from OnlineTutorship.com. I'm producing a number of video tutorials for the Tailor brand's advanced website builder. This tutorial is going to focus on how to add columns to your website. There are a couple of ways to add columns to your website. If I go to here, one way is to add a row. I can go to row, add, and I'll add a row below this one. And straight away you can see an empty column here. If I wish to add another column, I just right hand click this and I just say add a column. Now I have two columns. Another way to do this is to go to widgets. And under widgets and under basics, you have the opportunity to add a row with one column, a row with two columns, a row with three columns, or a row with four columns. Let's add a row with two columns. So I'm just going to click this, I'm just going to drag this into the website. And it's added a row with two columns, very similar to what I did here. If you wish to add another column here, you can just right hand mouse click and add a column. Now I have three columns. I can delete a column. Once you have these columns up here, you can then design the columns. You can add a background color. Let's go for this red, stands out. It's only this column I'm designing. You can add a border. Give it a border color, let's say white. And you can have rounded corners. And have a shadow. You can have a color for the shadow. And a position of the shadow. So all of this is actually assigned to one column at this stage. You can do the same to the other. You can add an image to the column. Select this one. We can have a full image. We can have it tiled, no repeat, or cover. Or you can keep the image static. You can see the image here. Let's not have an image. I'll delete that. You can also have a video. So you can upload a video, put a YouTube video in, or you can upload a video. So I can have quite a bit of a background style there. You can add some animation to the column. There are two triggers, there's entrance and scroll. Entrance means when you come to this part of the page, the animation will take effect. And we can have it slide in. We can have a slide in from the left. You can change the duration, delay and intensity, and you can preview your animation. And you can add some spacing. This is just an empty column. You can add text in the column if you so wish. You can go to widgets, text, and drag in some text. If you're looking to have two columns and you're looking to duplicate, it's easy to copy one that you've already done. So if I right hand mouse click, I can select copy. And I can go over here and select paste. This will produce three columns. I just delete the empty one here. And now we have two columns. And because I've got some text in here, I can now change by pressing some returns, I can change the width of those columns. And that's how you add columns via the widget.